Hey there, welcome to GTECHAI. Here I'll be teaching you how to add caption to your TikTok video. Now to add auto caption to your TikTok video, now open your TikTok app. Now press on the video. Here click on captions. Here click on translate intro. Now select the language you will translate it into. You see languages, but here I will be using English. Now turn on show auto caption. This toggle, turn it on. Now turn on always translate post in order to see the caption in every post you scroll into. Now turn it on. Now go to the video. Here you see the caption. Here you can see the caption. This is how to add auto caption to your TikTok video. So like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tips like this, and watch this video on the screen in order to know how to remove the post on your TikTok account, and also check the description section. You will find the link in order to watch it. See you on the next video. Peace.